James, can you put the game away and help me with the dishes?
Yes, honey, I'm coming. Just one more minute.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
I know. I'm almost done.
Harry, can you pick up your clothes from the floor? Yeah. I'll do it. I'm finishing this level. You said that before breakfast. I know. I'll do it soon.
Isa, can you help me with the kitchen?
Sure, Mom.
Thank you.
We still have the laundry and the bathroom.
I know. We'll finish faster together.
Yes. I won!
Dad, look! I'm winning too!
James, the trash is still full.
I'll take it out later.
Harry, your shoes are in the hallway. I'll move them later. Later.
That is all they say. I think they need to understand something.
What?
Go get dressed.
Are we going somewhere?
Yes. We are going to enjoy our afternoon.
What about the house?
We are leaving it exactly like this.
Really?
Really.
Now?
Yes. We asked for help all morning.
What about lunch?
There is food in the kitchen.
But the kitchen is a mess.
I know.
My room is messy too. We know that too.
Are you angry?
I'm tired.
I was gonna help.
Later?
Okay, I understand.
When are you coming back? Later. Very funny. Mom, this is nice.
Very nice.
We should do this more often.
Maybe we should.
Do you think Dad and Harry noticed the mess?
Not yet.
They will.
All right, buddy. It's just us.
Great. Can we order pizza?
First, let's see what we have.
Dad, there are no clean plates. Look,
Oh,
that is a lot of dishes.
we can use bowls. They are dirty too.
Maybe we should wash something.
Fine. Just 2 plates.
Dad, the sink is full.
Move these cups.
Where?
Put them on the counter.
The counter is full too.
How did this happen so fast?
Mom and Isa usually clean it.
They do.
Dad, something smells bad.
The trash.
You said you would take it out.
I know.
Later?
Don't start.
I'm just saying.
Fine. I'll take out the trash. You wash the plates.
Why me?
Because we both made this mess worse.
Okay.
Wait. Why is the floor sticky?
I dropped juice this morning.
You never cleaned it?
I was going to do it later.
Harry.
Now you know how Mom feels.
Yes. I think I do.
Dad, the laundry basket is full too.
Don't tell me that.
And my clothes are still on the floor.
We have a lot to do.
I thought Mom and Isa just cleaned a little.
So did I.
They do this every day?
A lot of it, yes.
We were acting like kings.
Lazy kings.
Very lazy kings.
Come on. No more games today.
No more games?
Not until this house looks better. Okay.
I'll start with my room.
Good. I'll do the dishes.
Dad, use soap.
I know how to wash dishes.
Are you sure?
Go clean your room. Harry, bring me the broom when you finish.
I'm coming.
Not later?
Not later.
Good answer.
We're home.
Wow.
The floor is clean. And the dishes are done. We cleaned my room too.
And I took out the trash.
I can see that.
Julie, I'm sorry.
For what?
for acting like the house cleaned itself.
Me too.
We asked you both many times. I know. I kept saying, I'll do it later.
So did I.
I didn't want a perfect house.
You wanted help.
Exactly.
From now on, I'll clean my room before I play. And no one says later. Can I say after dinner?
Nice try. We are here! The park!
Time for our bike adventure!
Yay! I want a blue bike!
Let's go rent them first.
Everyone out. Be careful.
I am so fast on a bike. I am faster.
No racing today, kids. Just fun.
Good afternoon. We need 4 bikes.
Go!
Welcome to Evergreen Park. Sizes for kids and adults?
Yes, please. 2 adult bikes, 2 children's bikes.
Let me check. We have 2 adult bikes ready.
And the kids' bikes?
I only have 1 children's bike left. Sorry.
Only 1? But we need 2.
Oh no. What do we do?
Is there another option?
We have a tandem bike. 2 people ride together.
A tandem? That sounds cool. I don't know. It looks big.
I can ride the tandem with Isa.
Really, Dad? Together?
Yes! It will be fun. I pedal in front, you in the back.
That is a great idea, James.
Here are your helmets. Safety first.
Harry, Isa, choose your helmets.
This red one. This pink one. It matches my shoes.
Good choices. Let's adjust them.
Are these seats comfortable?
Perfect. The tandem seat is high, but I like it.
Hold on tight, Isa. We are a team.
This is so nice.
Fresh air, green trees.
Dad, this tandem is fun.
See? I told you.
Look at that squirrel. It's so cute.
Don't stop suddenly, Harry.
I won't, Mom. I am a pro.
Keep to the right side, everyone.
I see the lake.
The flowers are beautiful here. This path goes on forever.
I love this, Dad. Faster.
Slowly, Isa. Enjoy the view.
Watch me. I can ride with no hands.
Harry, both hands on the bars.
Okay. I was just... Oh no! My bike stopped! What happened? The chain fell off. I can't pedal.
Let me see. Isa, stay on the tandem.
Okay, Dad.
The chain is off the gear.
I can fix it.
Do you know how?
Yes. I used to fix bikes when I was young.
Really, Dad?
Hold the bike still, Harry.
Like this?
Now, I put the chain back carefully.
Be careful with your hands, James.
Almost. There. Done.
Wow, Dad, you fixed it! Dad is a mechanic.
Not a mechanic. Just a dad.
A very useful dad. Your hands are dirty, though.
I know. Let's find water to wash them.
There is a fountain near the big oak tree.
Good memory, Harry. Let's go.
Much better. Clean hands.
It's getting late. The rental shop closes at 5.
Already? What time is it?
Almost 4. We have 1 hour.
Can we ride more? Please.
We had a long ride, Isa.
Please. Just one more small loop?
It's getting a little cloudy.
We can come back tomorrow. But I want to ride again now. Just a quick one.
Okay, Isa. One very small loop. Stay on this path.
Do not go far. We will wait right here.
I promise. I'll be fast.
Be careful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. She took my bike.
It's fine. She'll be right back.
This way looks fun. Oh? Rain? Wow! A bluebird! Where is the big oak tree? Oh no! I think I went too far. Ow! My knee! It hurts! My bike is up there. I can't reach it. Dad! Mom! Can anyone hear me? I can't climb. It's too slippery. What should I do? Tell me in the comments. A, try to climb back up, or B, stay here and call for help. I'll stay. Dad will find me. I know he will.
She's been gone for a while.
Yes, and the rain is starting.
Should I go look for her?
No, Harry. Stay here with me.
I'll go. I'll ride fast.
Be careful, James. Just find her.
I will. Stay calm, honey.
I hope she is okay. She will be, Harry. She's a smart girl.
Isa! 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 Are you here?
Oh no! Isa!
Dad! Down here!
Don't move! I'm coming down!
I'm here, sweetie. Let me see.
My knee. I fall off the bike.
It's a scrape. Not too bad. Can you stand?
I think so. But it hurts when I bend it.
Okay, put your arm around my shoulder.
The mud is so slippery, Dad.
I know. One step at a time. Hold on to me.
Are we almost up?
Almost there. One more step. There. We're back on the path.
Thank you, Dad. I was so scared.
You were brave, Isa. You stayed in one place. That was smart.
I couldn't climb. The mud was too slippery.
Can you ride?
My knee hurts too much to pedal.
Okay. You sit on my bike. I'll push it. We walk back.
Oh no! It's 10 to 5!
What's wrong, sweetie?
The rental shop closes at 5. We only have 10 minutes.
Don't worry about that. The important thing is that you are safe.
Isa! Oh my god! What happened?
I fell, Mom. Down a hill.
Let me see your knee. Oh, baby!
It's a scrape. She can't pedal.
Isa, your knee is bleeding. It's okay, Harry. It just stings a little.
We need to clean this. Do you have water, James?
I used the last bottle, but the rental shop has a first aid kit.
Then we need to get there. Now!
The shop closes in 8 minutes.
Harry, ride your bike. James, push the tandem. I'll carry Isa.
I can sit on the back, Mom?
Yes, hold on to me tight. Let's go. I'll ride ahead and tell them we're coming.
Good idea, Harry. Tell the attendant we need the first aid kit.
Got it. Mom, your shirt is getting all muddy. Sorry.
I don't care about my shirt. I care about you. It really hurts, Mom. I know, sweetie. Almost there.
I see Harry at the shop. He made it.
We need the first aid kit. My sister fell.
I have it ready. Bring her in. Come, sit here. Let me see that knee.
Thank you so much.
It's a small scrape. Some antiseptic and a bandage. She'll be fine.
Ow. That stings.
Almost done. There. A big pink bandage for a brave girl.
Pink? I like pink.
You look like a warrior, Isa.
3 bikes and a tandem returned. Sorry about the mud. Don't worry, this happens. Kids fall. The important thing is you're all safe.
We almost didn't make it on time.
You made it with 1 minute to spare. Deal?
Deal.
Deal!
Deal. Look, a rainbow. Best day ever.